Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Alameda local and long-distance movers near me. Our team of professional movers will ensure your long-distance move goes smoothly. We help you move to the next state over or all the way across the country. No matter how far you need to go, we have the necessary moving services for you. Some of our services for long-distance moves include packing and unpacking, supplying packing material, always on time, and transparent pricing. It might not be easy to rationalize the cost of hiring a California moving company. However, when you start to realize the benefits, the cost seems well worth it. You will certainly save time with your local move when you hire a moving company. It will also keep you from having to deal with heavy lifting. Our team of professional movers will ensure your move is very efficient. 3 Movers knows how to streamline your move. We can complete even the largest moves in just a few hours. If you're looking to hire a reliable moving company in Alameda, call our team today. Our Alameda moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.